Well, Pacific Ocean. This is just spectacular. I've been here 2 weeks now, including my trip to Las Vegas, going to the ISRI convention, trade show. And it's been more than I could have hoped for, more than I dreamed of, specifically with regard to my mind, my body, my soul. I've been able to really, through this trip, find the inner peace and the balance and the foundation for tomorrow that I was looking for. I am so grateful. I'm so grateful and blessed to know you, and I look forward to knowing you, to being a resource for you, and hope we can do many beautiful things together. Love you.